Drop my carrots in the pan. Gonna throw in some onion, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna hit that with my rice and fry it, and put some garlic, chili sauce, and coconut Camino acid. Okay, I've added my rice and some extra butter. I know Asians don't fry their chicken fried rice in butter, but I do. And I already put the coconut, and it's called amino acid. I think I mispronounced it earlier. I think I'm going to need some more. I got some eggs going separately. I know the Asians put their eggs in theirs. I don't. And so yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna add chicken, some more coconut aminos, peas and carrots, and the egg, and then I made my own homemade chicken fried rice. I'll come show you. There we are. I added my egg, and my rice is a little on high. I'm gonna just add my chicken in, and I'm gonna flavor that too. I bought some orange flavoring sauce for my chicken. I'm gonna put it over everything though. And then I made my own chicken fried rice. Just like that. Just added my sauce for my chicken, and then the the small peas, round peas, and some scallions. And it's done. I turned the heat off already. And I'm just folding those scallions in because I like those kind of crunchy and fresh. And then there is my homemade chicken fried rice, honey. Well, there's the finished product. Yep. Tastes like chicken fried rice to me. I could have added bean sprouts.